Hey guys, we're making a lemon battery. A lot of you have heard of this, and it's a pretty common experiment, but it's actually pretty useful because if you have a low voltage device, then this can power this easily. You probably need 2 lemons for this. A lot of devices can only be there's not a lot of devices that can only be powered by 1 lemon, but I know there's like little mini clocks that you can power. And I did this experiment a lot before with my friend William, and he had like a mini clock, and it was cool. So what we're going to do first is you're going to get a copper wire and a zinc screw. Now these 2 metals are very important, and they're the whole point of the battery. So this copper right here is called the cathode, and it's where electrons are going to come in and flow into the lemon where protons are stored later. Or before that, the protons are stored. And here's the anode, which is the zinc, the zinc screw, which protons and electrons come through here, but the protons cannot come into the wire because they are too big, so they come into the lemon. And meanwhile, the electrons come because the cathode wants them more. It's sucked into the cathode, back down into the lemon, and does that process over again, creating electricity. So, to show this, we just need to hook this up.
What are you hooking up?
I'm hooking up these 2 wires to this detector, which detects electricity.
Put it AC, DC, there we go. It sets the DC voltage now.
And now,
So which side are you hooking that up to? Which one's that?
This is the anode.
Okay, why are you hooking that one up to the anode?
Because the black is always the negative one, and the anode holds the negative, while the cathode is the more positive. There you go. So you'll see, this right here is the electricity. You can see it's only 0.9, so it's very, very little.
0.9 what?
Volts.
Yeah.
It's very, very, very little. Voltage.
There it goes.
You'll see the minus. When I take this off,
You gonna flip them around?
does it? Yeah. When I flip them around, it's gonna have a minus, and that means
Okay, explain what you're flipping around. What are you doing?
I'm flipping the positive onto the anode, even though it's supposed to be on the cathode. And you'll see there'll be a minus on the detector, which means you're reversed, and this is reversed electricity.
Okay.
So, there you go. See the minus on that?
Yeah.
That's right there. And you see that's reversed electricity, so it's not supposed to be that way. And they put that feature in there so you can know whether you're actually charging something properly or not. So if you, it doesn't emit electricity as good, so it won't charge anything. It doesn't work as a battery anymore. So they have that feature to make sure your batteries are working properly, or they are in properly. Because if you had a real battery, there can be a fire hazard if they are put in the wrong way. That's why there's the plus minus sign on them. You're supposed to put them the right way.
Okay. So back up. I see 0.91 volts. 0.92, 0.92, 3, 4, 6, 5. Cool.
It's kind of all over the place because it doesn't emit as good as it could. It's not a very accurate battery, but it's a battery.
Cool.
So, this is the lemon battery, and yeah, all you can make is just from a lemon, or it can even be cut. It still emits the same amount of electricity. It doesn't really matter, so it still emits. I think it stops if you poke it all the way through. So.
Yeah, no, it's stopped. It just went to 0.
And now if I pull it back, up, start beginning again.
Yeah, you don't have to disconnect the wires. You can just pull the anode or cathode out, or push it all the way through so that it can't connect electrically anymore.
Okay, now it's back up though. Here, I want to see how rapidly it goes down. If we do that.
Yeah. So now it's just the insulation. The battery itself isn't touching. Just pull it all the way out.
And then you can just disconnect this. And boom.
There's a trace amount of voltage, but it's for the most part it's not working anymore. Back
Yeah,
to
it's
zero.
because I took it apart.
Okay. Good job. Any closing thoughts?
Hope you liked this video, and thanks for watching, and please comment, subscribe or like if you like this video, and bye, thanks for watching.